My name is Ashfaq Ahmed, working as General Manager IT in EFU Life. EFU Life is the leading insurance company in Pakistan, having more than 300 plus branches and over 10,000 Salesforce members. Heard about Sangfor for the first time in 2018, and my team decided to test their products for our different requirements as it looked very fascinating in first impression. We are now using multiple Sangfor products for over 2 years, including WAF, HCI and VDI from Sangfor, and very much satisfied with the performance and stability. One of the best thing about Sangfor as its direct local on-site support and services. While we still have a local Sangfor certified partner available for support, we also have a luxury to take direct on-site support from Sangfor team available for all products. Sangfor surely offers performance-oriented and stable products, coupled with extraordinary after-sales services in a cost-effective manner in both virtualization and security domains as compared to their competitor in Pakistani market. Being an active follower of various technology all over the world, I am amazed to see how quickly Sangfor is expanding in reach into Europe, Middle East and other part of the world after SIA, and has become a well-known global technology name to masses. In future, we are looking forward to expand our footprint with Sangfor and wish to have long-term cooperation in the future. Thank you.
Hi everyone. My name is Rizwan Bukhari. I am working as Head of Network Security and Infrastructure in EFU Life Assurance. We have been experiencing Sangfor product and services over last 2 years, and I am very satisfied with the product and performance and their stability. Initially, we have deployed two solution from Sangfor. One is VDI and other one is HCI solution. So if we talking about VDI, Sangfor VDI is amazing product. It's have a complete VDI solution available, include hardware, virtual server, VDI licenses, thin client, and everything in one window, without having need product from different vendor. Like traditionally we purchase a server from other vendor and thin client from other vendor. So it's a complete one window solution. They offer both application virtualization and full desktop virtualization solution with all required user control. And here in EFU Live we are using both. We opted VDI solution this year in during the COVID situation. For us, it's a blessing because this solution gave us very easier to handle our user in work from home situation. They access their virtual desktop very easily from work from home situation without any hiccup and any problem. Sangfor VDI is complete one window solution, VDI solution which is stable and cost effective with great on-site after sales services offered as compared to all competition in the Pakistani market. And other thing, as I told you initially, we also acquire SCI. SCI, we have also deployed Sangfor SCI platform, which have virtual firewall, WAF, in our data center. Sangfor SCI is amazing product, I think. And finally, we have some reliable SCI solution available as option beside the only known SCI in Pakistan. We did a proper POC for SCI and firewall before including into our data center. I must say we were impressed with the simplicity, GUI and robustness we experienced while testing all feature offers. Sangfor firewall offer great features, and it's a security device that one can rely on. Previously we using multiple solutions, but this firewall gave us one window, you can say that one box solution. which have a security approach is used to all security modules are talking to each other instead of silos approach where different boxes are used for different purposes. Firewall is also using incredible AI based approach to smartly handle modern day attacks such as ransomware. I strongly recommend Sangfor solutions such as VDI, SCI, Firewall for your data center, mainly because of the simplicity, stability services Sangfor is offering in the most effective manners, particularly during tough financial situation after pandemic attack all over the world. Thank you.